first part of this video is missing. Sorry about it. It's just a picture of the front of it and me saying that I'm going to test this blind. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's got no plug on it and the cable's a bit short. So you'll see me starting off with taking off the back, all the screws. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you very much. We are here now going to take off these screws. This one, not that one because it's off. We're going to remove the back and have a look at this cable, and that's what we're going to do now. So we're just going to a bit more difficult trying to do this with one hand, or tricky in my case. Let's see what's on the back. What you do need to be careful of is the edges, they're dead sharp. Just be careful of your hands. And we can see what's inside the back there. So we're going to undo that and take off that cable. So now I have this cable. It's from an old wash machine in it. So we're going to connect this through there. Of course, at the other end of here is the tabs. I'll have to cut them off so I can join them into the block. So now I'm going to cut these off, as I was showing before, so we can connect it to the oven. Put this in. And I'm just going to give it about 5 to 10 mil. So I'm going to try now connect this. We know they need the flat blade. So it's always a habit to connect the earth cable first, that way you know we've done it. That's always a safety feature. So we'll just tighten that up as much as we can. Put the neutral in there. Get the neutral done as well. And then we need the live connecting. Okay. That should be us done. Okay, I've had to turn the machine around now because I need to turn on, you can see the cables connected. I need to turn on the oven in the on position for us to do our pack test, our safety test here. So that's the selector. So select the fan and then do the temperature. I'm going to go up to the full mount, and then we're just going to on here turn on our pack testing machine, and then we're going to do we need to connect our probe because it's a class 1 appliance. And we stick it in the back of here, there, and clip this onto the metal piece of the cabinet, which in this case is going to be here. There, I can't do it with my left hand, so I'll switch over. So that's connected now. So we're going to push the button and see what happens. Air continuity is okay. Insulation test now, yes. subleak. So now I'm going to test the elements, just continuity test with the multimeter, which I have here. We're just going to test the element, take off one tab, just put it on to ohms reading. Well, this one is the audio. I'm just going to touch the probes, see what reading I get. So we have continuity. If you want to have a look at that, it's reading 20 ohms. It's not too far off that, to be honest. I don't know what rate it is. Right, this is the element. These tabs are a bit hard to come off, so I've got these long nose pliers. And eventually it pulls off, but I couldn't do it with my fingers. It just seemed to be so hard. So we've done that now. We're going to take the top element. In this case, the grill element. Do exactly as we did before. Get the continuity. We're going to test the inner and outer element. So that's that one. And if you just have a wee look there, you can see we have a 58 kilo ohm. So that in that case it's 58 ohms, which seems a bit high. So we'll try the other. And that's 38. And that's 58. So that element seems not so good, to be honest. This is the ambient element down the bottom. Let's see if I can get it off with my fingers, but I doubt it. It's just too harsh. There you go. That's one off. So we want to do the same again. We want to calibrate, because I turned the meter off. And I want to put these in. And then I've got a 51 ohms. I'm going to test the grill first, so we need to put it onto manual, and in this case is this button. I don't know if you can see that clearly. The manual button, we press that, it should stop flashing. Otherwise your oven won't work. So we'll select the inner grill, turn up the temperature, and then just keep an eye out to see if that heats up or not. So I'm just going to turn that off the video and give it a little bit of time, and then we'll come back and see if it's okay. So now this is the full grill, inner and outer, both on. So that's good. So we've tested that, and now we'll go back and we'll try and test the fan oven, which is the main. And I'm just going to pop up the temperature there to 200, and we're going to be testing the thermostat at the same time. So the thermostat, and it's on the fan oven, as you can see on that one there, just, and we have it at 200. So if it starts creeping up, we'll leave it at just over 100 and see if that's going to work. So we'll shut the door now, keep the heat in, and then test the Okay, so it's been 5 minutes now since we started this, because it was at 08 the last time, so 08:13. So we want to see if the thermostat is working, and so we want to turn it down slowly till we see, see it's gone off at about 170. So the thermostat's working, and obviously that element's working too, so that's nice and hot. Happy days. Okay, so that's our test complete on that part. So we're going to have a go at setting the time here. I'll press press the manual button. There's a little flashing light there, so we're going to do that now, and it's 16:35. If it goes up on 24-hour clock, that is. Yep. 16:35, and that's it. Press the button again, press them two together, and that saves it. Yes. Just line test on a machine that was just brought in, connecting the cable, testing all the element parts, and making sure everything was okay. So now I'm happy with that, and that's our oven already.